chapati.
Okay.
And if you are non-veg, chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
This one brinjal bhatta.
Brinjal.
pork है
Pork. Pork liver. Slow taste.
Okay.
चिकन कितना है
If you want veg you can get like brinjal bhatta, chana, mixed veg, salad, dal, rice.
ये चना,
Yeah, black chana.
black chana. Spicy or
It's not that spicy. In between.
in between?
In between.
Okay.
If you want veg 150. If you want chicken 200.
चिकन with rice 200
Yeah, with rice and some all the veggies.
This one or plain rice?
No, that one jadok,
Jadak.
local rice. This one.
Local rice.
we'll taste it
What?
And
This
then
one.
this one normal white rice.
What the ingredient between
That
this?
one we cook with some local masala. Along with that, first we fry it, then we boil it, then we steam it.
And the plain rice. এটা নন ভেজটা নেওয়া যায়
नॉन वेज
আমার কাছে এইটা মজা লাগছে দেখে
अच्छा फ्रेश फ्रेश है
হুম